Welcome to Thomasville, Georgia, where history, food, specialty shops, and just natural beauty all combine in this gorgeous downtown. We're going to walk the streets of Thomasville, Georgia, and enjoy a bit of Christmas. Welcome to the holiday season here in the South.
Holiday open house here in Thomasville, Georgia. It is the kickoff event for the holiday season here. The entire street opens up with all of its Christmas decor and holiday flair.
What I love most about a downtown, not only the history and the architecture, but there's something just truly special about a downtown. And here in Thomasville, they hold the holiday season high with their twinkling lights, sparkling window displays, and tempting smells wafting through the restaurants. It all just adds a really festive feeling to the season. Like most downtowns that we're exploring, we tend to find the ice cream shop, and we found ourselves heading over to a place called Small Cakes. This is a locally owned and operated ice cream and cupcake shop here in downtown Thomasville. They're the only place that creates homemade ice cream, and they actually have really fun flavors. They've got unique flavors actually, like lemonade and raspberry. Both girls loved that. Actually, all three of them got a scoop of it. Raspberry lemonade happens to be their favorite drink, so having it in ice cream form just made them smile. They also have stuff like pretzels, brownies, root beer floats, cookie sandwiches, tons of fun stuff. And they also cater to dogs and parties. So there's tons of fun stuff here at this little cute small cake shop in Thomasville. The countdown is on to their annual Christmas event. It is the Victorian event of the year. Victorian Christmas usually takes part between December 12th and 13th in the evening each night. They have a Christmas adventure that you just will not want to miss. It's a ton of fun with Christmas characters all dressed in Victorian era. Everyone from around the area takes to the street to enjoy this beautiful event that takes place just one time a year. Here in this town, Thomasville offers a glimpse into the very grand Victorian era. Thomasville represents the very best of small town USA with historic downtown shopping and their dining district. It appears to have taken a cue from the Norman Rockwell canvas. Everything is gorgeous and framed out. During the late 1800s, Thomasville became known as the winter resort of the South. And in this era, Northerners and other visitors came to Thomasville for their health, breathing the pine-scented air. They enjoyed hunting, fishing, and an active social life with golf, horse riding, and bicycling. Thomasville came to represent the best of Southern hospitality with the lavishness of resort lifestyle. And Thomasville's luxurious hotels regularly hosted America's wealthiest families as their guests. And once they discovered that it cost less to purchase land than rent hotel rooms, these wealthy families bought property and built grand Victorian mansions and plantation homes. Many of these plantation homes are still owned by the families who built them and are visited year-round. These are known as the winter cottages that were built in the 1880s. They've been lovingly restored and included in the historic walking and driving tour of Thomasville's historic district. Although the Grand Hotel era ended with the extension of the railroad into the southern Florida, Thomasville and Thomas County has continued the long-standing tradition of cultural and economic diversity and the preservation of the area's rich heritage. After a day of walking about the downtown, this was exactly what we needed.
quiet place outside to just enjoy some good food.
We stopped off this AJ place for some pasta and some pizza, and we're ordering both. I think we're gonna take it to go.